I am Joe Gaijin. So, how can you improve your English? One simple thing, if you can, is to get a part-time job that allows you to speak English. So maybe at a restaurant where a lot of foreigners come, or a hotel, or something like that where you need to learn English. I'm talking to university and high school students now. So that's one good way. I always tell my students to read, even if it's in your own language. I think it's a really good skill, just to make you a better person. But specifically to improve your English, read easy English books called graded readers, and they're available in libraries in Japan. I'm sure they're available in other countries too. There are many bookstores or book off that sell graded readers. Your university probably has them in their library. Reading, ironically, will improve your speaking. It will improve your grammar very, very much. And just in general, reading will make you a better, smarter person. So if you don't like reading books, start like reading books. Just do it. Put your phone away. Get away from the computer. Stop watching YouTube. Oops. Except for this video. Watch this video. Watch this YouTube video. Watch my channel. But you need to start reading books. It's a really good way to improve your English. As well, of course, study. Study your textbook that your teacher is using. Study your textbook before class, before you have the class, so you can be prepared for the class. Now my dog is running around making noise. He's not going to be too noisy. What else? Listen to music. If you like music, get into Western music. Learn the lyrics of the songs. If you like singing, sing in English. It's really good practice. If you got the money for it, travel. You get to use your English that way. All of those things. Basically, try to make your world into an English world. That's how you improve your English. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't, and we will keep making more great videos. Thank you for watching. Just call me Joe Gaijin.